Hello, this is Tyagarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss how to answer multiple choice questions in multiprocessor organization. I have given a short explanation for each question and also I have given the answers. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please press subscribe button and also press the bell icon at the right side and choose the option all. First, let us see what are the points you have to remember and what are the points you have to understand in Flynn's classification of multiprocessor organization. There are four types of multiprocessing organization. The first one is single instruction stream, single data stream. The second one is single instruction stream, multiple data stream. The third one is multiple instruction stream, single data stream. The fourth one is multiple instruction stream, multiple data stream. We will simply call this single instruction stream, single data stream as single instruction, single data. Similarly, this one single instruction, multiple data, like that. In the case of single instruction, you will have only one control unit. Here also you see single instruction, you have only one control unit. In the case of multiple instructions, you will have many control units. Here also multiple instructions, you have many control units. In the case of single data, you will have only one memory, but you may have one processing unit or multiple processing unit. Even if you have multiple processing unit, the memory is only one and the same data will be flowing through all the processing units. In the case of multiple data, the memory will be divided into many segments and you will have many processing units. Each processing unit will be connected to one segment. So here also multiple data. That means the memory has many segments and it has many processing units. So it is summarized here. You have to remember. So instruction is related to control unit. Data is connected to the memory segments and also the processing units. At this stage, you should also know the difference between von Neumann architecture and Harvard architecture. In the case of von Neumann architecture, instructions and data are stored in the same memory. For example, in SISD, you have a single memory. So instructions and data both are stored in the same memory. So this is called as von Neumann architecture. In the case of Harvard architecture, separate program memory and separate data memory are used. Now let us see what type of questions may be asked from this topic. SIMD represents an organization that option A is capable of processing many programs at the same time. Option B includes many processing units with a common control unit. C contains a control unit, a processor unit, and a memory unit. Option D has a single processing unit with multiple control units. See, unless you are clear with the SIMD, you will not be able to choose the correct answer. SIMD means single instruction, so single control unit. Multiple data means there should be multiple memory segments and multiple processing unit. You see here, single instruction, but A indicates that many programs, that means many instructions. So A is not correct. Then includes many processing unit. Anyway, multiple data means multiple processing units with a common control unit. Single instruction means single control unit. So common control unit, B is correct. Now let us see the option C contains a control unit, okay, a processor unit and a memory unit. And a memory unit means it will not come under multiple data. So C is not correct. D has a single processing unit. Anyway, multiple data means multiple processing unit. So it is not single processing unit. So the correct answer is B. That means it includes many processing units because multiple data and a common control unit because it is a single instruction stream. So option B is the correct answer. Now let us see the next question. MIMD stands for option A, multiple instruction memory data, option B, memory instruction multiple data, Option C, multiple instruction, multiple data. Option D, multiple information, memory data. If you see option A, the word memory data has not been used in the classification. So A is not correct. Memory instruction, multiple data. In this case, memory instruction. These words are not used in classification. Then multiple instruction, multiple data. This is the correct answer. Similarly, if you take D, multiple information, this word is also not used in classification. So the correct answer is C, multiple instruction, multiple data. Since SIMD is the basic architecture for multiprocessing, let us see some more points on SIMD. Here, multiple data means you should have multiple processing elements or multiple processing units. Here, 4 lanes are provided. Each lane is a processing unit. So the data will be divided and passed through these lanes. For example, if the data is a vector, then that will be interleaved across these 4 lanes. That is, the first element of the vector will be passed through lane 0, then second element lane 1, the third element will be passed through this lane 2, and fourth element will be passed through this lane 3. Again, the fifth element will be passed through this lane 0 for processing. So, multiple data or an array of data will be handled simultaneously by these processing elements. Now each lane has one processing element or one processing unit, but each processing unit may have many functional units. For example, the complete thing is a processing unit, but here you are seeing an add functional unit for adding the numbers and a multiplication unit for multiplying the numbers. So a single processing element may have many functional units or elements within that. This type of SIMD processors are used in graphics processing units. So GPUs contain many SIMDs. If you connect many SIMDs together, you will get MIMD. Now let us see what type of questions can be asked from this topic. The first question is, von Neumann architecture is SISD, SIMD, MIMD. The fourth option is MISD. We have already discussed von Neumann architecture. It is single instruction, single data architecture. The next question is, SIMD architecture uses many vector lanes. That is correct. Data level parallelism, that means it is dividing the data and executing in parallel using lanes. Option C is many functional units in the lane. Yes, it is also correct. We have seen add functional unit, multiplication functional unit, like that. Option D is all the above. So option D is correct. Now let us see the next one. GPU contains many multi-threaded DAS processors. What are they? SISD, SIMD, MIMD, MISD. The correct answer is SIMD. Single instruction, multiple data. That is this one. Option B is the correct one.